Sometimes it's great to ride in the wind until you go on long highway road trips. So I use this easily removable huge stock windshield. Instead of bulky lowers, I install these wind deflectors on my front forks. Let's check it out. Old school but amazing 2003 Road King Police Edition. Let's install some fork mounted wind deflectors, and of course on this bike they gotta be chrome. The genuine HD wind deflectors look the best and last the longest. Part number below. They come packed in bubble wrap and sealed in plastic with silica gel to keep them in perfect shape. Check out this high quality Harley chrome in contrast to the black saddlebags. And this awesome Harley Davidson logo made into the wind deflector. Here's a view of the precision cut mounting holes. You probably already figured out they mount on each side on these two fork bolts. Believe it or not, the curve goes toward the front, and there are no clearance issues with the lights or the bike frame. This design also provides amazing wind deflection. Use a 1/2 inch socket to tighten these down. I have the left side mounted, getting ready to snug down the bolts. The whole job took around 10 to 15 minutes. Job complete. Adds wind protection with a little beakless style and more chrome. Now it needs some LED lights to illuminate the night. Please give this video a thumbs up to help my channel and subscribe to see these mods and more. And check out my channel for unique Kentucky roads and landmarks. These wind deflectors divert the wind around my body and away from my helmet. They're a game changer on the highway.